Welcome back to the weather segment of our broadcast. And of course, Mike Schultz has the evening off. We hope it gets better. But let's go ahead and take a look at our wonderful picture of the evening. Merrick Pierce gives us this one, launched from Poker Flats last night. You notice the northern lights in the background with the kind of the time delay photography on that, really seeing that streak propulsion from that rocket. So that is such a fantastic photo, one of a kind. If you have a photo to share, please send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Let's go ahead and take a look at conditions in our almanac. Our high today only 29 below, can you believe it? Our low overnight was 45 below, but it can get worse. Our record low was set in 1934 at 60 below. Of course, it could be a lot better. Record high 1991, 39 degrees. Sunrise, sunset equals 6 hours, 24 minutes. That's again about 4 minutes over yesterday. And winds are calm, barometer 30.27. Taking a look around the state, and yes, interior just frigid, especially up north as well. Barrow 21 below, Nome 20 below, a little better in Bethel 9 below. And then, of course, down in the southern parts of the state, looking better. Ketchikan 40 degrees, Juneau 32. Oh, I'd like to be there right now. Cold Bay even 37 degrees, and snow right off the Gulf of Alaska into the Anchorage Bowl area. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look down at the lower 48 and see what we can see. We see a system over the Pacific Northwest, really lovely toward the south, California, Nevada, Arizona, Texas, looking really nice. Temperatures in the 60s to 70s there. And then, well, everybody's talking about the conditions on the East Coast. Yes, of course, blizzard warnings in effect all over the East Coast, and it's only going to get worse for the next couple of days. They're actually predicting upwards of 3 feet of snow in the blue areas, as you can see near Boston, as well as 2 to anywhere from a foot to 2 feet of snow, especially in parts of Maine, parts of New York as well. It's predicted to last into Wednesday evening, believe it or not, and then another system on its way toward the weekend, giving them another couple of inches. Crazy weather. Okay, let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast. Looking way up north, wind chills to 50 below at Barrow, severe cold in Fort Yukon, scattered clouds for Nome, amazing temperatures, and of course down here in the interior as well, clear skies, patchy ice fog in Fairbanks and in Healy. That's optimistic right there, 32 below for tomorrow for us. Taking a look down in the Panhandle, and you can see mostly cloudy for Juneau, slight chance of rain for Ketchikan, temperatures in the high 30s to lower 40s. Like I said, I'd like to be there right now. Taking a look at the southwest, rain for Cold Bay, mixed showers for Kodiak and snow showers for Bethel. You can see right there where the temperatures plummet, right when you get up toward Bethel on the west coast there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look real quickly in the Anchorage Bowl. Flurries for Anchorage, partly sunny for Valdez, and partly cloudy for Homer. Temperatures right where they should be this time of year. Anchorage in the single digits. Maybe they could be a little warmer, but they aren't. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look now at our Kids Weather Watch. And this week we're going to be featuring students from Two Rivers School. And tonight we have a young man with a weather story for us.
One day it was snowing, not a lot. Then overnight it stopped and was sunny, but then rained. And you know that snow and rain makes black ice or regular ice and makes the road slick. And when I was waiting for the bus, it fell into the ditch. And then a lot of people fell in the ditch. One truck was totally sideways.
All right, Caden, thank you for that story. Caden, by the way, is also my son's name, so that's amazing. Same age, too. What are the coincidences? I don't know. Thank you to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our Weather Watch program. And tomorrow night, we'll hear from a young lady with a picture to share. Okay, let's take a look at tonight's forecast. Extremely cold, guys. Prepare for it. 45 below, severe cold with areas of dense ice fog. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer, 24, maybe 24 below if we're lucky. Continued quite frigid and ice fog continuing. Taking a look at the extended forecast. Now, this is where it'll slowly be on a warming trend through the weekend until possibly Sunday we'll get back. Well, it's not plus temperatures, but at least it's not below temperatures. A high projected of 0 by Sunday. But of course, anything's possible, and it's still early in the week.
I mean, the bottom just fell out.
Yes, it did.
It just completely fell out.